Once again, we're ready to pull the trigger on that hot glue gun and have some fun with a new portion of Hot Glue Life Hacks. These creative ideas will give you some inspiration and make your life easier. Let's turn an ordinary notebook into a flashy crocodile leather style accessory. Randomly splash some hot glue drops on the cover of the notebook. Now we need to make the main decorative element, the alligator eye. Pour some hot glue in a shape of an ellipse onto a glass. Paint the eye in bright yellow. Add some shades of beige and green. Draw a vertical reptile pupil. Attach the croc eye to the cover. Cover the picture with some green paint and color the spaces in between the cells in black. The exclusive Alligator Notebook is ready for use. Looks pretty luxurious. Disclaimer: no crocodiles were harmed during the making of this video. Did the nose pads on your eyeglasses break off? We've got a life hack for this kind of situation. Push out a small amount of hot glue onto a piece of foil. Outline the contour of the pad with a ball pen. Cut it out. Secure the pads on the glasses with a drop of glue. Done! The glasses are back in business. Did somebody get you a nice ring, but it's too big and keeps falling off? Let's fix that without involving a jeweler. Let's make the ring fit with the help of a hot glue gun. Apply a strip of hot glue onto the inner side of the ring. Now, the ring fits perfectly and won't be falling off anytime soon. Did someone say meow? Let's make cute cat ears for a party or a photo shoot. We'll need a thin hair hoop. Outline the cat ears on a piece of foil. Fill the contour with hot glue. Color them. Add a couple of small pearls. Attach the ears to the hair hoop. And we've got a cool hair accessory. Meow meow! If you want to store your memories right and with love, then these heart-shaped magnets will be indispensable. Fill some heart-shaped ice molds with hot glue. Give them some time to cure. Take out the solid hearts. Attach a piece of magnet tape to each heart. Cover the pieces with bright acrylic paint. You could also add some glitter to the magnets. Attach the pictures on the fridge with the help of your new heart pins. Nice and pretty! Want to keep your clothes smelling good while they're in the closet? Grab a hot glue gun and go fight the bad smells. Using a marker, draw a circle on a piece of foil. Outline it with some hot glue. Add a grid inside the circle. Make 2 of these pieces. Make a hook out of hot glue. Glue it to the grid. Cut a circle out of a napkin and place it between our pieces. Join the edges. Spray the napkin with your favorite perfume or cologne. You can hang it from a hook or put it somewhere between your clothes. A nice aroma can set your mood the whole day. And now, let's turn this cheap LED candle into an elegant piece of interior decor. We'll need a toilet paper roll. Put some hot glue stripes on the roll, imitating wax strips. Cover our candlestick with some silver spray paint. Insert the candle into the roll. These safe candles give out a nice, soothing glow and create a very cozy atmosphere. Don't know where to store your toothbrush? Let's make an ergonomic holder for our bathroom. Fill a heart-shaped plastic mold with hot glue. Let it cure. Place 4 strips of colored hot glue on a piece of foil covered in cream. Make the rings. Attach them to some wooden sticks and insert them into our silicone heart. Decorate the edges of the heart with some red hot glue. The holder sits quite comfortably on the sink and doesn't take up much space. 1 heart for 2? We mean for 2 brushes. Oh no! White collars are way too formal. Let's decorate the collar of our shirt with the help of some hot glue. Let's get a fun picture of a fox. Get some parchment paper and draw the outline of the fox with hot glue. Paint the fox with acrylic paint. We've made 2 different foxes and placed them on the collar. It looks very unusual and playful. We can turn ordinary glue sticks into a very unusual lamp. We'll need a box. We chose a round one and some Christmas lights. Draw out a spiral on the cover and cut out an opening. It must be wide enough to fit the glue sticks. Position the sticks in a row next to each other and make a diagonal cut. Using a soldering iron, carefully make an opening in each stick and insert a light. Spray the box with some paint. Place our sticks with the lights into the opening we've made on the cover. Position them in the order we cut them. Attach the lights inside the box with some hot glue. Apply some glue to the top as well to give it some structure. And our lamp is done. Turn on the lights, and the sticks give out an incredible glow. Very beautiful. It's hard to believe, but you can make a whole pond with fish and even a waterfall, all just using hot glue. We'll grab a few stones and, of course, some hot glue. On a piece of paper, draw in blue the bottom of our oval pond. Use a darker shade near the center of the pond to visually add some depth. Cut it out. Apply some cream to a piece of foil, place our cutout on it, and cover with a layer of hot glue. Once the glue is cured, draw some fish with acrylic paint. Place a stone in the middle of the pond and add another layer of hot glue. Now it looks like our fish are swimming in water. Position some around the pond. Glue some stones on top of each other on one side. The pond is almost ready. Let's focus on the waterfall. Draw a few stripes of hot glue that look like a water stream on the piece of foil. Attach one edge of the stream to the uppermost stone and place another stone on top. Glue the bottom edge to the pond and give it a little stir with a stick. Decorate the edge of the pond with some ferns. We can cut those out of colored paper. Done! This pond can become a very unique decorative piece for your room. These chopsticks could be used for more than just eating sushi. Let's make a decorative hairpiece. Draw some circles of different sizes on a piece of paper and put over it a glass with some cream on it. Fill the circles with hot glue. We've got a colored glue with some glitter in it. The circles are dry. Now we can take them off the glass. Cut each circle in half. Get our chopstick and attach the semicircles to it, curving and bending them into petals. We end up with a beautiful rose. Make the base of the rose using some green and glittered hot glue. The hair sticks are ready. Now we can add a bit more style to our hair. The tea bag keeps falling in the cup. It's a pretty relatable problem, wouldn't you agree? Our life hack will help you fix it. We'll make a kitten who's going to hold our tea bags. We are going to need some foil covered in greasy cream. Wrap it firmly around a small ball or bead so that the foil takes its shape. Gently unwrap the foil and take out the bead. Fill the formed foil with hot glue. Wrap it back up and let it cure. We've made a small silicone ball. Take it out of the foil. This will be the head of our kitten. On another piece of foil, draw 2 triangular ears, 4 legs, and a tail. We'll make the body the same way we made the head, but this time we'll wrap 2 beads instead. Put all the pieces together using hot glue. The front legs of our kitten should be placed in such a way so that we can hook them to the edges of our cup. Paint our kitten with acrylic paint. Draw the eyes and the face with a marker. Done! Now our kitten is comfortably hanging on our cup, preventing our tea bag from falling into it. Does your fancy dress just keep sliding off the hanger? Our life hack will help you. Apply some hot glue in a wavy pattern near the top of the hanger from both sides of the hook. Let's check. The dress hangs well and doesn't slide off. No more mess in the closet. With this life hack, we'll teach you how to make a bottle plug. Get some foil. Cover it with greasy cream. Cover the neck of the bottle with it and slightly push it inside. Fill the cavity with hot glue and let it dry for a bit. Get a small toy and stick it to the plug that just formed. Apply another layer of hot glue on top. The toy is easy to handle, and the plug seals the bottle pretty well. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and click the bell icon, and follow our latest releases.